Okay, this is a video from Intempco how to calibrate a pressure sensor. So first we have to test the mechanical connection. So I'm gonna use a plug here. I'm gonna close the line. I'm gonna pressure it and see if my system is holding the pressure. So I'm closing the valve here, so I can apply some pressure. Okay. It's time to stabilize. Okay. Now what you want to do, you want to make sure there's no air going out or something, so you just spray it on your connection and to see if you have a good connection. There will be no bubble of air. One thing sometimes we have to avoid, it's multiple connection. More you have reducer there, more chance you will have a leak in your line. Okay. So this is okay. I'm gonna bleed again, open the valve here. Empty it. Now we're gonna connect the actual pressure sensor because the line is secure. It's tested. This is a standard tri-clamp 1.5 inch process connection. This is closed. Okay. So here I'm gonna power the system with 24 volt DC, and there's an output of 4 to 20 milliamp. Okay. Here with your unit, you have to make sure you are at 0 psi gauge, so you have to adjust your equipment. Be sure of that. So now we're gonna start the calibration. We are at 0 psi, so I'm on 4 milliamp. So I'm gonna do that actually at the absolute pressure of the day. So there's two potentiometer here, one for 0 and one for span inside. So I'm gonna use the 0 potentiometer for the 4 milliamp. Okay, we are at 4 milliamp. And here, I'm gonna close the system and start to pressurize it. I'm gonna go to 3.6 psi because that's the maximum range of the pressure sensor. So that will go to 20 milliamp. I'm gonna adjust to 20 milliamp with the potentiometer, this time with the span. Yeah, it takes time to stabilize, but let's adjust. And then I'm gonna bleed again to see at 0 psi if I am still at 4 milliamp. Just gonna crank that a little bit to see. Yeah, it takes time to stabilize a little bit, but I'm at 3.6 psi here for 20 milliamp, and then I'm gonna open it, go back to 0 to see if there's any change done there. If everything is okay, we're gonna pressurize at mid-range with this 1.8 psi, and we'll have 12 milliamp here. So there's a small difference there, but for the video it will be okay. .6, 1.8. I want to go to the medium, the mid-range, which is 1.8 psi. This will be 12 milliamp. So I need to do that to see if the curve is linear. So it will be on all the span there from 0 to 3.6 psi. That's good. .79, 1.8. That's acceptable. Thank you very much for this video.